Okay, here are the polynomial notes. Alright, here we go. So, by degree of 0, degree is the highest exponent. So, let's go down here. Degree here is 3, right? So this is highest exponent is 3. B, the highest degree here is 2. Here, degree of 5. If I were to look over here, I have several exponents, but the highest one amongst all of these is 4. So this expression will be a 4th degree polynomial. All right. So when we talk about a degree of a polynomial, you're just looking at the highest exponent, right? Highest exponent. So if the highest degree or the highest exponent is 0, it's going to be a constant. That's a number, like a constant, like 5. If that's all there is, then it's a constant. Degree of 1 is a linear function, right? That's like 2x plus 3. Degree of 2 is a quadratic. That's what we've been working with. That's a QUA. Degree of 3 is cubic. And anything higher than that, we're just going to use the numbers, like 4th degree, 5th degree, whatever the degree is, we just use the number. Okay. Number of terms. If there is one term, it's a monomial. If it has 2 terms, it is a binomial. If it has 3 terms, it's a trinomial. Now, polynomial is the general term, but it's also the term for anything when there's more than 3 terms. So we just say a polynomial. So we can name each polynomial using both of these systems. So the highest degree here is a 3, and it has 2 terms. A term is anything separated by plus and minus signs. So this is one term, and this is another term. So this is 2 terms. So this is a cubic binomial. Here, the highest exponent is a 2. Highest exponent is a 2, so it's a quadratic. So it's a quadratic and it has 3 terms, so it's a trinomial. And C, the degree is 5, so it's a 5th degree monomial. Alright, that's it. That's the first 20 problems on that worksheet. That's all you're doing. Alright, simplifying these expressions, pay attention to the sign between them. That's a plus sign there, that's a minus sign there. If it's a plus sign, nothing interesting going on. Okay, so in fact, my suggestion is you just drop the parentheses. So on the first parentheses, you can just drop it. There's nothing interesting going on there. The reason why there are parentheses is just to distinguish between the. So this has 3 polynomials, right? So it's 3 groups. That's all the parentheses are for. Okay, well, that's not all they're for. But if it's a plus sign, it doesn't affect the sign of the trinomial or the polynomial. So you can just copy that. And then here, this minus sign affects all the signs in here. It's currently a positive 2x cubed. That minus sign goes in, becomes a minus 2x cubed. And the minus a minus 5x becomes a plus 5x. And minus a positive 2x to the 4th becomes a minus 2x to the 4th. Now, when we're combining like terms, we're going to find all the, It's the variables with the same exponent. So 8x gets combined with 5x, right? In fact, I'm going to underline the ones that get used up. 8x plus 5x is 13x. 7x cubed plus another cube, so that's 4x cubed. That's 11x cubed so far. And then minus 2x cubed. That's going to make 9x cubed. We got 7x to the 4th Is there another fourth? Yeah. So minus 2x to the fourth. So it's positive 5x to the fourth. We got 7x squared. There is no other square than the minus 8. Those two get underlined. Nothing left. That's it. Okay. Now that's actually allows a way to write your answer. Okay. Generally speaking, you want the exponents either to be going up or going down. Generally speaking, we have it going down. So it'll be 5x to the fourth plus 9x cubed plus 7x squared plus 13x minus 8. Alright. So number 5, not number 5, part B, we're going to combine line terms again. So it's 5 and there's 3 halves. So 5 minus 3 halves, that's going to, 5 is 10 halves, so that's going to be 7 halves, right? 5 can be written as 10 over 2. So 10 over 2 minus 3 over 2 is 7 over 2. Alright, and then 11/7 V minus, so we're doing 11/7 B minus negative 4/3. So, so it's 11/7 minus a negative turns into a plus 4/3. And these are V's. Goodness gracious. Alright, so common denominator is 21. So 3, that's 33 V. 28 over 21. So that's going to be 61 V, 61. So it's 61 over 21 V. And then the square, there is a 23 over 8 minus 29 over 8. That's going to make it minus 5 over 8 V squared. And that's our answer. Okay. Let's stop that video there.